Days like these are worth more than gold, but they can't be bought and they can't be sold. On days like these, when the sun shines bright, I feel like it's all gonna be alright. When the sky is blue and the grass is green, how much better can it be? If I got you, you got me, we got everything we need. Even if we grew on trees, money came by days like these. Don't come around much as they ought to. So soak 'em up when they do. Those days like these, they don't get forgot if you think it through. They're all we got. When the sky is blue and the grass is green, how much better can it be? If I got you, you got me, we got everything we need. Even if we grew on trees, the money came by days like this.
Guys, I would call this, well, probably the best private air show that any people have ever done.
When the sky is blue and the grass is green, now how much better can it be? If I got you,
It's everything.
you got me, we got everything we need. Hell, even if it grew on trees, well, I'd probably miss the leaves.
Best air show ever.
No
buddy.
money came by days like
Unbelievable, dude.
no money came by
No.
days like these.
I missed it.
Papa's wearing a pilot's cap.
Where'd you get Axe? No way.
Wearing a pilot's cap.
Yeah, dude.
Why do pilots have to wear pilot's cap? I would choose
Is he wearing goggles? Oh, it's a pilot cap with goggles. It was training bombing. I think we do a lot of research on it. See what we can find out. Everybody wave. Yeah, he's probably gonna move on and go to his next place. I don't know if he's gonna go back. There's Grandma. She got the show too. What do you guys think of that? Is that the coolest thing ever? You want to fly in that?